Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I am going to show you in this video is about if you purchase any of the item in retail store like in Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so for example, if you are purchasing mobile or laptop or any item, okay, in retail stores, so online, okay, so how it be going to store in database and or in data warehouse, how the ETL tester is going to extract those data and what is the mechanism included in ETL process. So we are going to discuss that point in this video. So before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to SQL Master YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to SQL Master. So this video will be more informative to understand the mechanism of ETL process. Okay, so this is the question one of the subscriber asked me. So if I purchased one mobile in Flipkart or on Amazon, how the user data is going to store in the particular retail store data warehouse. So that's what the thing. So we are going to discuss here. So let us start the video. So this is a user. Okay. So this is what the user here. Okay. So if he place order in Amazon. Okay. So if he place order in Amazon, so this is what Amazon. Okay. So Amazon retail store. So user is placing order to Amazon. So while signing up in Amazon, remember, already you have submitted your details, email ID, first name, last name, age, and your some basic details, okay, like PAN card. Sometimes it may ask you Aadhaar card, any other details you submitted while signing up in Amazon. So based upon that detail, whatever you are ordering the item, for example, you are ordering the item like mobile. Okay, so this is what the mobile you are ordering the item. So that mobile data along with your data, okay, see here, this is a little bit difference is here. So whatever you are ordering the item, that is called as what it is, fact data. Okay, so because most of the things here, the price and tax, percentage discount, all the present in related to that item. Okay, so also it includes the dimensional data also, because the name of the item and those are descriptive data. It includes dimensional data also, and whatever your data, okay, your name, city, age, mail ID, mobile number, all that is called as dimensional data because it is descriptive data. So that is what called as dimensional data. So when you order these things, okay, so when you order these things, so that data will be going to store in Amazon uh, data warehouse or in database. So how it will be, so I'm going to discuss with that. Okay, after ordering the item in Amazon, so this is what called as database of Amazon. Okay, so this is what called as database of Amazon. So DB. Okay, this is what called as database of Amazon. So the records automatically store in Amazon database. So because while you signed up in that, during that period, the Amazon servers, okay, already grabbed your all the details with item details. Those data are stored in the database, Amazon database, with uh, in the form of tables. Okay, so then what happened, so this is considered this as the data warehouse. Okay, so this is data warehouse. Okay, so this is what called as data warehouse, and all the databases, okay, from different countries or different cities. Okay, so you can consider this is also a Amazon database and this is also a Amazon database. Okay, so you can say this is also a database here and this is also database. Okay, these all databases are connected to the data warehouse. Okay, so this is the fact. So whenever you order the items, all those records are stored in database and then those records are moving to the data warehouse. Okay, so this is what data warehouse. So when this Amazon company has given some uh, duty, some work, some projects to the other companies. Okay, so you just consider this as other companies. Okay, so this is other company, like something like you can say this as XYZ company. So here the testers are present. Okay, so ETL testers, because Amazon CEO, Amazon some higher authority person, business intelligence, want at the end of the day he wants some business reports. Okay, how many items sold, in which day, in which date, from this date to that date. Okay, which items are not selling more in particular area. So those people, business intelligence related to Amazon, they want some final reports. Okay, so for that purpose, so here these testers are present here. Okay, so you can see these are the testers, you can call as testers. Okay, so these testers are extract the data from directly from data warehouse, or they can extract data from the databases. Okay, however it may be. Okay, extract the data and then by using SQL. Okay, SQL, or you can say Informatica, they can generate the reports, they can test the data. So already you know that how to test data, what are the high level validations, and you can know the SQL some functions, predefined functions in Informatica. So by using all those resources, okay, so they also maintain some reporting tools also. Okay, management tools. Okay, this all also included in the whole project. These are very important tools included in the whole project, and they can extract from the data from the different databases, and also from data warehouse, and the data is loaded properly or not, they can check. And the important thing is they can provide the reports whatever want required by the business intelligence, or you can say CEO. So they can provide all the details to the higher authority. So this is what the thing, friends, what I want to say this concept here. So you can understand this concept better in better way, so that will be more very helpful for you people to get perfect. Okay, to get perfect in further more technology technical things. So this is what my channel is here. I made several videos, okay, so related to SQL, ETL data, and ETL testing, Informatica. So okay, so you can go through my channel videos, so you can just get more knowledge here, and I explain most of the queries also here. Okay, so those are really very helpful for you people. So try to attempt the interview and crack the interview in first lot only. Okay, so this is very important, because how much you are gaining the knowledge is very important. Okay, so how much you are covering the portions while studying, while preparing for the interview, how much you are covering the portions is not important. So how much you are gaining the knowledge in depth. Okay, so because nowadays the interviews may be very strict, so they can ask you any questions. Okay, so for that purpose, first you have to know the concept clearly. Okay, what is ETL mechanism concept, then you have to move for the technical videos. So this is what the friends, what I want to show you people. So if you like this video, really you can just like the video and share the video, and kindly subscribe to my channel. So that's very great motivational thing for me to make more videos. Thank you friends, thank you very much. Bye bye, have a nice day, take care.